Hey, garden enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're delving into the realm of gardening convenience with our roundup of the best mechanical hose timers. If you're all about simplicity, reliability, and efficient watering without the digital fuss, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we unveil our top picks for mechanical hose timers that will effortlessly elevate your gardening game. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Orbit 56082 3-outlet hose watering timer. Experience the convenience of the Orbit single-outlet water timer, designed to empower gardeners with customizable outdoor watering schedules. Crafted from durable heavy plastic and complemented by robust metal hardware, this water timer ensures resilience in all weather conditions. Its rain delay feature promotes water conservation during dry periods, while the manual override switch offers flexibility for unconventional watering times. This innovative water timer allows programming for automatic watering up to 6 times daily or once every 7 days. Say goodbye to concerns about specific outlets or intricate wiring. Simply select the desired timer settings and watering days. The water timer seamlessly activates and deactivates, delivering consistent and healthy watering to your lawn or garden throughout the entire season. Choose between daily watering or intervals of 6 to 12 hours. And effortlessly switch to manual mode during dry spells or for on-the-spot adjustments. Once you've experienced the ease of this water timer, you'll never look back to the old-fashioned way of watering again. Number 2. Rainpoint ITV 1051 Zone Mini Digital Sprinkler Timer. For individuals dealing with water spigots in challenging locations, the common issue is the oversized nature of standard hose timers that are difficult to connect. While a workaround involves adding a short leader hose between the spigot and the timer, the Rainpoint Mini Timer presents an excellent solution for those seeking a compact alternative for confined spaces. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, not included, the Rainpoint Mini boasts similar features to its larger counterparts. Although it provides only one hose outlet due to its miniaturized design, this is often sufficient for many watering needs. Users can select a watering duration ranging from 1 minute to 3 hours and 59 minutes. And adjust the frequency to water as often as once per hour or as infrequently as once every 7 days. The LCD screen displays large digital numbers that remain easily visible even in bright sunlight. To achieve its compact dimensions, Rainpoint makes some compromises, such as combining manual override and rain delay functions, up to 72 hours, under a single dial setting labeled on. Unlike other timers with dedicated buttons, users activate these features using the plus and minus buttons. Despite these compromises, the Rainpoint Mini stands out as an efficient and space-saving hose timer solution for restricted areas. Number 3. Orbit 21004 BHYVE Smart Hose Faucet Timer. The Orbit 21004 BHYVE Smart Hose Faucet Timer seamlessly syncs with your phone via Wi-Fi, offering a sophisticated solution for tailoring personalized watering schedules to your garden's needs. This single hose timer employs advanced technology that considers various factors like slope, soil type, sun, shade conditions, and historical weather data, providing watering recommendations. Live weather forecasts further enhance its capabilities, ensuring optimal watering to prevent both over and under watering. Notably, its water-saving prowess is acknowledged by the EPA's WaterSense program. Setting up the system is a breeze, with the app fully functional on Android, iOS, and web devices. It's essential to be aware that Wi-Fi connectivity issues at home may result in missed watering events. Powered by 2 Ah batteries, not included, and compatible with any standard 0.75-inch garden hose, this hose timer also boasts a robust brass connection. Its expandability is a notable feature, allowing users to scale the system for larger gardens with the addition of extra timers. The Orbit 21004 BHYVE Smart Hose Faucet Timer is a smart and efficient solution that combines technology with user-friendly functionality for optimal garden watering management. Pros: smart capabilities, easy to install, adjusts for weather conditions, EPA WaterSense certified. Cons: lacks detailed historical water usage reporting. Number 4. Melner 65036A/MZ AquaTimer 4-Zone Digital Timer. For those managing multiple watering zones, the Melner AquaTimer proves to be a versatile solution. With 4 distinct valves, it allows you to schedule watering for each zone independently. The range of customization spans from 1 minute to 6 hours of watering time, with the flexibility to water as frequently as hourly or as infrequently as once per week. Compatible with sprinklers, drip systems, or soaker hoses, this system accommodates various watering methods. In the event of rain, A convenient rain delay feature can be set to skip watering for up to 7 days before resuming the normal schedule. An added manual watering option provides direct access to your hoses without the need for reprogramming. While not as technologically advanced as some other 4-zone controllers, the Melner AquaTimer boasts reliability over the long term. Once programmed, it operates autonomously, handling all watering tasks without constant user intervention. The adjustable rain delay feature enhances water conservation by automatically halting irrigation during rain or watering events, resuming the cycle once the rain subsides. Notably, this product is backed by a robust 7-year manufacturer's warranty, underscoring its durability and reliability. Number 5. RainPoint Smart Wi-Fi 2-Zone Sprinkler Hose Timer. For those seeking the convenience of remote programming and adjustment in a water timer, the RainPoint Smart Hose Timer stands out as a top choice. Having extensively tested numerous smart products that connect to Wi-Fi networks and can be controlled via smartphones, we were eager to put this timer to the test. The initial physical installation process mirrors that of other timers. Insert 4Ah batteries, not included, and attach the dual-zone timer to an outdoor spigot. The RainPoint Smart's easy twist connector, encountered during testing, made this setup a breeze, connecting 2 hoses, one to a drip system and the other to a flower bed sprinkler, further demonstrated its versatility. What sets this hose timer apart are its innovative features. The RainPoint Smart is compatible with a soil sensor that detects soil moisture levels, providing notifications to adjust watering programs accordingly. Unfortunately, we couldn't test this function as we didn't have the sensor. Positioned as the Cadillac of hose timers, it offers advanced capabilities while retaining one manual function. Users can easily turn the water on or off by pressing the unit's left or right button if they wish to water without the timer. The RainPoint Smart Hose Timer combines technological sophistication with user-friendly control for a seamless watering experience.